Hi friends, today we will make Captain America's shield. We will start with cutting cardboard. Now paste some old newspapers. Now paste white sheets. Fix a strong thread. The rough shield is ready. Ta-da! Now we will take glue and water and we will paste more white sheets to make it more beautiful and sturdy. Paste it nicely all over. Now we need to cut few circles which will give it a realistic view. Now with one circle we will draw a star shape and cut it nicely. Let's start coloring. Color blue and mirror circle and paste the star on it. Paste sheets one on one. Let it dry for some time. For finishing touch, add some white color. We have tied a band on our backside. Ta-da! Shield is ready to wear. Try it yourself. Good luck!